Hey, let me tell you what. Today I started to make my wonderful, wonderful crab gumbo with blue claw crabs from Chauvin, Louisiana. And you know what? It just got to, I cleaned my, they all cleaned and everything. I went ahead and kind of washed them up a little bit, and then put them in, and I decided that, hey, you know what? I got to put more than crabs in there. I got a gang coming, so guess what? Throw some sausage in from Best Stop out of Scott, Louisiana. Got some fresh shrimp. Throwing that in there. Got some dried shrimp from Pops. Throwing that in there. And I got a kitchen sink. Hey, we're not going to throw that in there yet. But I tell you what, you're going to enjoy it. Let me taste this rascal, see what's going on. We still got some cooking time left, Ah, yeah, baby. Them crabs are just them claws right now. They're so red. Red. Doing that thing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Hot. Well, I tell you what, you have not tasted any kind of gumbo till you've tasted crab gumbo. And this one here it's done. It's off right now. It's done. It's done. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got the thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.